Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. Assalamu alaikum boys. This is your teacher Farooq Sarwar and this is the video of our online class. Boys, as you know that in our previous lecture, in our previous online class, we have done the work reading and explanation of cities, rules, the world and cities shape our lives. And after that we have read in last week the continent of Africa as well as country of Kenya and South Africa. Okay boys, and our class is contents are Australia and country of Australia. Let me repeat it again to you. Our today's topic is continent of Australia and country of Australia. Okay boys, so I am going to start my lecture, so please do pay attention. And we are going to start from the page number 23, and that is continent of Australia. Boys, total number of countries in the continent of Australia are 14. The largest country of continent Australia is Australia, and major religion is Christianity, and famous landmark is Grand Opera House, Sydney. I repeat, Grand Opera House, Sydney. Okay. Boys, let me explain one thing to you, that it is continent of Australia, which is also called Oceania. It is continent of Australia, and inside the continent of Australia we do have 14 countries, and in those 14 countries the largest country name is also Australia. Okay boys, so we come to learn that the continent Australia we do have just number of total 14 countries, and the largest country name is also Australia. Major religion is Christianity, and famous landmark is Grand Opera House. So major, after then we do have major wildlife. In major wildlife we do have kangaroo, koala and bee. I repeat, kangaroo, koala and kiwi. Okay boys, and major cities of Australia are Sydney, Melbourne, Wellington and Auckland. Okay boys, Sydney, Melbourne, Wellington and Auckland. And the last line is telling us that the continent of Australia is also known as Oceania. As I told you at here, that in continent Australia, which is also known as Oceania, continent of Australia जो है उसका दूसरा नाम Oceania है. Total number of countries are 14, and the largest country name is Australia. Okay boys, religion is Christianity, and famous landmark is Grand Opera House, Sydney. Okay boys, after then we will go to the lesson, and that is Australia. Okay boys, in Australia, as you can see on your screen, you can see the flag of Australia. Capital city name is Canberra. Capital city name is Canberra. Currency is Australian dollar. Currency is Australian dollar. Religion is Christianity. Religion is Christianity. Language is English. Which language is spoken in the country of Australia? It is English. Okay boys, come to the lesson, and lesson is telling to us that, as you can see on your screen, the country of Australia is 6th largest country in the world. It is 6th largest country in the world, दुनिया का छठा बड़ा मुल्क है. It is an island country. It is an island country. Its important cities are Sydney, Melbourne and Perth. I repeat, Sydney, Melbourne and Perth. Okay boy. High-tech methods are used for farming in Australia. It means high kind of technology is used in the field of agriculture, in the field of farming in Australia. Huge cattle and sheep farms produce dairy products. Huge cattle, sheep, मवेशी, कैटल बोला जाता है बॉयज़ गाय भैंसों को, एंड शीप भेड़. तो ह्यूज कैटल एंड शीप फार्म्स, इनके बड़े बड़े फार्म्स हैं. प्रोड्यूस डेयरी प्रोडक्ट्स, जो कि डेयरी प्रोडक्ट्स प्रोड्यूस करते हैं, मीट एंड वूल. इन बड़े बड़े कैटल एंड शीप फार्म से बॉयज़ वी प्रोड्यूस डेयरी प्रोडक्ट्स एज वेल एज मीट एंड वूल. Quarter of the world's produce there. It means the production of wool in Australia is very high. They are telling us that quarter of the world's wool is produced in Australia. Cricket is a very popular sport game in Australia. Cricket is a very popular sport game of Australia. And in next paragraph we do have the Grand Opera House in Sydney is the most famous landmark. As you can see in this picture, this is a picture of Grand Opera House. I will tell you okay, Grand Opera House in Sydney is the most famous landmark and symbol of Australia. Some kind of beautiful animals, kangaroo and koalas can also be found in Australia. Okay boys, means to say खूबसूरत एनिमल लाइक beautiful animals like kangaroo and koala could be found in the country of Australia. Kangaroo is also the national symbol of Australia. Kangaroo is also the symbol of country Australia. Australian birds are very colorful and famous all over the world. It is a very rich country. So last line is telling to us that Australian birds are very much colorful and famous in all over the world. Okay boys, and one more important topic is we do have, and that is Grand Opera House. Okay boys, so please do pay attention to this because this is very much important topic, and we do have very much very much knowledge inside these paragraphs. Grand Opera. In 1957, the competition to design an opera house for Sydney attracted 222 entries from 32 countries. Okay boys, in 1957 there was a competition started to design a building of Grand Opera House in Sydney, and for that competition 222 engineers took entry from 32 states. Okay boys, 32 मुल्कों से 222 इंजीनियर्स ने ग्रैंड ओपरा हाउस के कंपटीशन में अपने अपने डिज़ाइन पेश करने मुकाबले में हिस्सा लिया. ओके बॉयज़, जॉन वन द कंपटीशन, और इन तमाम लोगों में से बॉयज़ जॉन अर्डसन वन द कंपटीशन. टेक्निकली it was the most difficult design. This was the very much difficult design at that time. Okay, it actually took 10 years longer to construct and cost over $100 million. Okay boys, so this line is telling to us that this took 10 years to make and the cost of this building was $10 million. Okay, most of the extra money raised by lotteries. So they mean to say that it was very much costly building which took the amount of 10 millions for construct, and money of this building was raised by the lottery method. लॉटरीज निकाली गई और उनके थ्रू जो आमदन हुई बॉयज़, वो आमदन जो है वो बिल्डिंग की तामीर पे खर्च की गई. ओके बॉयज़, वी डू हैव वेरी मच इंटरेस्टिंग पॉइंट्स in this lesson. The end result was one of the most beautiful major building raised in any country since World War II, and indeed is one of the most important beautiful of all times. So they mean to say that after 10 years, नतीजे के तौर पर the most beautiful major building, एक बहुत खूबसूरत प्यारी इमारत कायम हो गई आफ्टर वर्ल्ड वार टू. वर्ल्ड वार टू के बाद इट दे मीन टू से दिस वाज द फर्स्ट ग्रैंड बिगेस्ट ब्यूटीफुल बिल्डिंग विच वाज मेड इन द वर्ल्ड आफ्टर वर्ल्ड वार टू. ओके बॉयज, इंडीड एंड दर हकीकत इज़ द वन ऑफ द मोस्ट ब्यूटीफुल ऑल द टाइम एंड इज़ वेरी मच ब्यूटीफुल. Okay boys, Grand Opera House was officially opened by Queen Elizabeth II in 1973. This line is telling us that इसकी opening Grand Opera House को इंग्लैंड की क्वीन एलिज़ाबेथ ने 1973 पर इसकी शुरुआत की थी, इसको शुरू किया था, इसकी ओपनिंग की थी बॉयज़. When in 1973 who Queen Elizabeth of England, okay boys, she officially opened the Grand Opera House. Okay boys, it is seen at the best from the water of the harbor. ये पानी के अंदर से देखने पर बहुत खूबसूरत नज़र आती है. When we look at this building from the side of the harbor, बंदरगाह की साइड से, ओशन की साइड से, सिडनी का जो हार्बर है, हार्बर मीन्स दैट से एरिया ऑफ ओशन वेयर वी कैन डू द बिजनेस. ओके बॉयज, सो इफ वी सी दिस बिल्डिंग फ्रॉम द साइड ऑफ द हार्बर you will find it very very much beautiful, where it suggests a titanic white swan that might be about to take to the air. So they are telling us, you can see to the building, this building is like that. यूँ लगता है जैसे कोई बड़ा स्वान, जैसे कोई बड़ा राजहंस. Boys, you know that what are the meaning of swan? इसको हम उर्दू में बोलते हैं हंस. ये लंबी गर्दन वाली वाइट कलर की बड़ी प्यारी खूबसूरत किस्म की यू कैन से बतख होती है, डक होती है. यू हैव सीन मैनी प्लेसेस एट दिस स्वान. इसको हम इंग्लिश में स्वान कहते हैं, जो कि बहुत प्यारी वाइट कलर की होती है बॉयज़. इसकी गर्दन बहुत लंबी होती है और इसके पर पीछे से खुले हुए बड़े प्यारे लगते हैं. सो दिस बिल्डिंग इज़ गिविंग अस द आइडिया, ये हमें ऐसा आइडिया दे रही है जैसे एक स्वान, एक खूबसूरत सी बतख इज़ ट्राइंग टू माइट बी अबाउट टू टेक टू द एयर. बस सिर्फ उड़ने वाली है, जस्ट इट इज़ गोइंग टू टेक ऑफ. Okay boys, so design is telling us showing us the beautiful feathers of swan which are going to take off in the air. Okay boys, so on the sales are more than million Swedish antifungal ceramic tiles. So as you can see in this picture, जो टाइल इस पे यूज़ की गई है बॉयज़, दिस टाइल इज़ स्वीडिश एंटी फंगल सिरामिक टाइल. ये स्वीडन से मंगवाई गई एंटी फंगल सिरामिक टाइल्स हैं बॉयज़. ये वो टाइल्स हैं जिनको साफ़ करने की ज़रूरत नहीं पड़ती, जिनके ऊपर काई नहीं जमती, जिनके ऊपर निशान नहीं पड़ते. लेट मी टेल यू अगेन, वन ऑन द सेल्स, इसके बड़े बड़े सेल्स के ऊपर इसके बड़े बड़े जो पर से बने हुए हैं, बादबान टाइप चीज़ बनी हुई है, फीदर टाइप चीज़ बनी हुई है, आर मोर देन मिलियन स्वीडिश एंटी फंगल सिरामिक टाइल्स. ये 1 मिलियन से ज़्यादा स्वीडिश सिरामिक टाइल्स से बनी हुई है, विच ग्लिंट इन द सन एंड नेवर नीड क्लीनिंग। विच ग्लिंट जो शाइन करती है, इन द सन सूरज की रोशनी में बॉयज़ ये शाइन करती है, एंड नेवर नीड टू क्लीन और इसको साफ करने की ज़रूरत नहीं होती। विद इन द बिल्डिंग और 5 परफॉर्मिंग हॉल्स, इस बिल्डिंग के अंदर 5 बड़े बड़े हॉल हैं बॉयज़। द एग्जीबिशन हॉल, बहुत बड़ा एग्जीबिशन हॉल है, और रेस्टोरेंट और एक बहुत बड़ा होटल रेस्टोरेंट है, एंड अ बिस्ट्रो। बिस्ट्रो इज़ आल्सो काइंड ऑफ अ रेस्टोरेंट। बिस्ट्रो मीन रेस्टोरेंट, ये एक रेस्टोरेंट टाइप की ही टाइप है बॉयज़, जिसको हम बिस्ट्रो कहते हैं। रेस्टोरेंट में हम जाते हैं, खाना वगैरह खाते हैं, लेकिन बिस्ट्रो में भी वही रेस्टोरेंट जैसा स्टाइल होता है, लेकिन इसमें 1 कोर्स 2 कोर्स 3 कोर्स 5 कोर्स 7 कोर्स इस टाइप मील होती है, इसलिए इसको बिस्ट्रो कहा जाता है। ओके बॉयज़, सो लेट मी रिपीट द लाइन अगेन दैट within the building are 5 performing halls, an exhibition hall, and a restaurant and a bistro. The opera hall seats 1550 people, and the concert hall 2700 people. So they mean to say we do have 5 halls inside this building, and in the major exhibition hall we do have arrangement of 2700 people for sitting, and rest of halls we do have 1550 seats setting for the people inside that hall. As you can see, this is the sea life of Australia, and in these pictures as you can see kangaroo, which I have told you that it is the national symbol of Australia. As you can see, this is Gold Coast, Great Barrier Reef, and Melbourne Cricket Stadium in the city of Sydney. Okay Melbourne. Okay boys, so this was all regarding our online class of Geo, and please take care of yourself. Thank you very much. Allah Hafiz.